Nestled amidst the picturesque Piccadilly Valley in the Adelaide Hills of South Australia, Mount Lofty Botanic Garden stands as a haven of natural beauty and tranquility, especially enchanting during the autumn months. Spanning 97 hectares, this iconic garden is renowned for its displays of cool climate plants, thriving on the eastern slopes of Mount Lofty, and offers visitors a captivating journey through lush gullies and stunning vistas. During autumn, Mount Lofty Botanic Garden unveils a kaleidoscope of colors as leaves turn from verdant greens to fiery reds, oranges, and yellows, creating a breathtaking panorama against the backdrop of the valley. Visitors can embark on a leisurely stroll along the garden's winding trails, each offering unique experiences and surprises. For nature enthusiasts, the Nature Trail provides a glimpse into the region's native flora, showcasing plants that once dominated the landscape before European settlement. Along this trail, the iconic Hyson Trail meanders through, inviting hikers to explore further into the natural beauty of the Adelaide Hills. For those seeking a more serene experience, the Lakeside Trail offers tranquility amidst exquisite sculptures with important environmental messages. As visitors wander along the trail, they can admire these artistic creations while soaking in the peaceful ambience of the garden's lakeside setting. After an invigorating walk, a picnic lunch by the lake provides the perfect opportunity to unwind and reconnect with family and friends amidst the beauty of nature. With the sound of water lapping gently at the shore and the rustle of leaves in the breeze, it's a truly idyllic setting for a memorable outing. Whether you're a nature lover, a hiking enthusiast, or simply seeking a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, Mount Lofty Botanic Garden in autumn offers an enchanting retreat that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and inspired by the splendor of the season. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.